Oh man. Yeah. Hey.
Remix.
Stay down for your people. Hold on. Look, now we've been kicking it for quite some time. Remain beside me through my trials in this life of crime. We done fought so many times, I forgot to count. I never hit you, not a coward, rather leave your house. Remember back in December when we was tight, sipping Alizé and Cristal, wildin' every night. In my bedroom, promise that I commit to you soon. Tongue kiss me every time you see me step inside a room, straight out the hood. We promise to be good to each other, plus I love you, so I know you gon' make a good mother. Just try to understand if I change in time, it's only cause I never owned anything that's mine. So I'm trying, you can stay with my mama, but keep the drama to a low. Never call the police, I never call you bitch at home. We were all born hungry in this world alone. Finally moved out my mom's house and got a happy home.
Hier Nigga Mann, ich bin Dennis aus Berlin. Ihr hört meinen Homie DJ Razor mit einem neuen Remix für euch. Ab geht's!
My mom's house, got a happy home.
Baby, I was there all along when you'd be doing things I would want you. I picture you and me all alone. I'm wishing you were someone I can talk to. I gotta get you out of my head. But baby girl, I gotta see you once again. Again, it's real love that you don't know about. I'm going out of my mind. And even though I don't really know you, 'cause I've been running out of time. I'm waiting for the moment I can show you. Baby girl, I want you to know. I want you to go where I want you. You pass me by. It's real love that you don't know about. Every now and now I go to sleep, I couldn't stop dreaming about you. Your love has got me feeling kinda weak. I really can't.